Brianna Moody. I'm the Communications and Marketing Coordinator for the Gakona Area School District, and I'm on site this morning at Victor Haen Elementary School where the new addition is being added, and I am here with Steve from Miron. Steve, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do for Miron?
I'm the project superintendent at Victor Haen, and I am the guy that's in charge of everything that happens here all day long. So I do the scheduling, make sure that everybody's doing their jobs, all the different trades are working here, scheduling the next trade to come in and do their job.
And you've been doing this for a long time at Miron, right? You have a lot of experience.
I've been at Miron for 39 years, and this is the 17th school that I've worked on.
Can you kind of bring us through what has all happened since we broke ground?
So our concrete crews came in and they put the foundation walls and all the footings in around the whole building. The masons started approximately 3 weeks ago. They're putting up the exterior block walls and any bearing walls inside the building. And just yesterday, our precast crew started and they're erecting the wall panels for the gym.
So that's what's happening right behind us, is the precast walls that we can see going in to place. So can you tell us a little bit more about that process, Steve?
So the panels are 35 feet tall. They weigh approximately 40,000 pounds. They're 13 foot 8 wide. So each panel has metal embed plates in it and all the conduit for the electrical. Every one of them has a special place to go all the way around the exterior of the gym for the walls. And then they'll come in and they've set the bar joists across the top of those. And then once we get done with that, we'll put the decking on and then we'll heat the inside so that we can pour floors, and all the finishes start after that as far as drywall.
So it seems like we've made a lot of progress since September when we started.
Yes, everything's moving along very well.
Yeah, and we're on schedule to still have it open for next school year.
Very much.
All right, well, thank you very much, Steve. Appreciate it.
Thank you.